Hello, Saxons. I'm Gil.
And I'm Mel.
And welcome back to the Burg News.
Starting off this week's episode, we have a new segment by Gil and I where we'll be helping you get to know some Schaumburg teachers a little better.
Hello again, Saxons.
Today in this segment, we are going to be interviewing teachers at Schaumburg High School to help you get to know them a little better.
Today we're going to be asking questions to Mr. Strock, Miss Roberts, and Mr. Lobo.
Let's head on in and get some interviews.
Hi, I'm Mr. Lobo. I teach in the science department. This is my 17th year at Schaumburg High School. I went to college at University of Illinois at Chicago. I have a master's degree in education, and my degree for my undergrad was biological sciences. Favorite hobbies are consistently searching for the greatest taco, always looking at mental floss and reading those articles, consistently doing trivia, and let's see, what else is there? And I like puzzles as well. I am a baseball coach at Schaumburg High School. I also co-sponsor of the HOSA Club, which is kind of like BPA but for health professionals. Involved in various committees for school improvement, and I used to be part of the diversity club as well. Favorite food is a tie between pizza, sushi, and tacos.
Hi, my name is Miss Roberts. This is my 8th year teaching at Schaumburg High School. I am in the math department, and I have a master's degree from DePaul University. I went to undergrad at Illinois State, and I went and got my master's from DePaul. My favorite hobbies, I like being active, so I like going for runs, going to different workout classes. I also like hanging out with my friends on the weekends and spending time with my family and my sister who lives in New York. I am the dance club sponsor. I am also the assistant POMS coach and the assistant competitive dance coach. I went to York High School, which is in Elmhurst. I would be a detective. I love murder mysteries, so that is what I would probably do.
Favorite rapid fire?
Yes.
Favorite cereal?
Cocoa Puffs.
Favorite pizza place?
Crush Pizzeria.
Oh, favorite color?
Blue.
Do you have any pets?
No.
If you could get a pet, what would you get?
I would get a dog.
Okay, that's cool. Oh, do you have any siblings?
I have 2 siblings,
What are their names?
Ryan and Kelsey.
Are you close to them?
I am very close to them.
Hi, my name is Mr. Strock. This is my 6th year at Schaumburg High School in the math department. I have a bachelor's degree in mathematics from Illinois State University and a master's in math education from National Louis. Some of my favorite hobbies are playing sports, specifically basketball, and then hanging out with my family. I have 2 kids and a wife. I'm a varsity football coach and a girls basketball coach, and I used to coach girls lacrosse. I went to Conant. I'm ready.
All right, favorite color?
Red.
Favorite cereal?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Do you have any pets?
No pets.
Do you have any siblings?
3 brothers.
All right, and what is your favorite food?
Pizza.
We hope that helped you get to know Mr. Strout, Miss Roberts, and Mr. Lobo a little better.
Up next, we have Stephanie Wado with us here from Saxon's Lead, and she will be coming to talk to us about next week's Unity Week.
Hi, I'm Steph, and I'm with Saxon's Lead.
So, Steph, what is Unity Week, and how can we get involved?
Well, Mel, Unity Week is a part of National Bullying Prevention Month, which is where we try to make everyone at Schaumburg feel united as a community. Next week, we will have a theme for each day.
Monday is Tie-Dye Day, along with a school-wide classroom lesson on Unity.
Tuesday will be Twin Day with Unity through Community kickoff at the main entrance.
Wednesday is College Day.
And Thursday is Unity Day, where you should wear orange.
And finally, Friday will be Saxon Gear Day.
Make sure to take to Twitter and publish your photos with the hashtag SHSUnity2019.
Very special thanks to Steph for helping us learn how you can get involved in Unity Week.
No problem, guys. Now over to Larkin and Jack for our SHS Sports.
Okay, keep going.
Hello, Saxons. I'm Jack.
And I'm Larkin. And welcome to your week's Saxon
Thanks,
Sports.
guys.
First off, we want to
That's all for this
very
week.
good job to our boys freshman A soccer team on a win 3-2.
Oh, they were.
Be sure to come support your Saxon football team tonight at
That's
7:30
okay, we can do
against
another
Burg.
take.
Be sure to wear camo.
Next Friday, we will be sure to support your one and only Saxon as they play the Palatine Pirates at 7:30.
That's all, Saxons. Have a good weekend.
Thanks, guys.
That's all for this week. Thanks for tuning in, and have a spooky week, Saxons.